keyboard replacement, battery replacement, and deep cleaning on Compaq Presario CQ60 laptop. Thank you, Sir Paul, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The Compaq Presario CQ60 laptop was serviced with a full keyboard replacement, battery replacement, and internal deep cleaning to restore its performance, usability, and overall reliability. The device had been experiencing multiple issues, including unresponsive and worn-out keys, poor battery performance, and excessive dust buildup that affected cooling efficiency. The first part of the service involved the keyboard replacement. The old keyboard had developed several non-functioning and physically damaged keys, making typing difficult and inefficient. It was carefully removed and replaced with a new, model-compatible keyboard. After installation, the new keyboard was tested thoroughly to ensure that every key was fully responsive and functioning properly, providing the user with a smooth and reliable typing experience. The second stage focused on the battery replacement. The original battery had significantly deteriorated, with limited charge capacity and unstable power delivery, which reduced the laptop's portability and forced dependence on AC power. To resolve this, the old battery was removed safely and replaced with a new, compatible unit. The replacement battery was then calibrated and tested, ensuring stable charging, longer usage time, and consistent power when operating without direct connection to the charger. Finally, a deep cleaning service was carried out on the laptop's internal components. Over time, dust and debris had accumulated inside the system, especially on the cooling fan, vents, and heat sink. This buildup restricted airflow, increased operating temperatures, and created unnecessary strain on the hardware. The laptop was disassembled and the internal parts were thoroughly cleaned using anti-static tools and compressed air. Old thermal paste on the CPU was also replaced with fresh, high-quality thermal compound to improve heat transfer and cooling performance. After the combined service, the Compaq Presario CQ60 was fully restored to stable and efficient working condition. The new keyboard improved usability, the new battery restored portability and extended runtime, and the deep cleaning optimized airflow and cooling efficiency, reducing the risk of overheating and improving overall system stability. In conclusion, the maintenance service of keyboard replacement, battery replacement, and deep cleaning successfully revitalized the Compaq Presario CQ60 laptop, extending its lifespan and ensuring dependable performance for everyday computing tasks. Keyboard replacement, battery replacement, and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.